Welcome to Activity 59. In this activity, we will be developing fluency with 1/2 of the holes 12, 14, 16 and 18. The numbers on the spinner are the whole amount that match the top row of the part whole diagram. The aim is to be the player who places the most number of blocks in 3 minutes. You will need 10 counters to keep score. These are double-sided, and 2 of each block from 6 to 9. Place these in a jumbled pile. Player 1 begins. They spin. They say 1/2 of 16 is 8. They pick up the block that is 1/2 of the whole and place it on the matching part whole diagram. They then place a counter in their scoring table for placing a block. Player 2 has their turn. They also spin 16 and they say 1/2 of 16 is 8. Place the block and a scoring counter. Player 2, they're unlucky. They spun 16 again and they say 1/2 of 16 is 8, but they can't place a block or a counter because it's been filled. Player 2 has their turn and they spin 12. They say 1/2 of 12 is 6 and they place the 6 block. Play continues for 3 minutes and whoever's placed the most number of blocks in that time is the winner. Now it's your turn.